guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about life cycle of leech. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So leeches are hermaphrodite. They are bisexual in nature. That is, each one has both male and female reproductive organs. Cross-fertilization occurs in them and it is internal fertilization. That means fertilization occurs inside the body. And first step is the copulation. So during copulation, two leeches come together by their ventral surfaces pointing in opposite directions so that the male genital aperture of each is opposite the female genital aperture of the other. So here is the image you can see. This is the first leech and this is the second leech. Both of them are hermaphrodites and this is the head portion of the first leech and here is the head portion of the second leech. Here is the tail of first leech and here is the tail of second leech. That means they orient themselves in opposite direction. And here is the red one is the male genital aperture and this black one is the female genital aperture. Now they orient themselves in this way and they exchange gametes. So basically the penis of each is inserted into the vagina of the other and the spermatophores are deposited so that there is a mutual insemination. So both of them provide spermatophores and since both of them are hermaphrodites and in this way mutual insemination occurs. Next stage is fertilization. So fertilization occurs in vagina. I have already mentioned that fertilization is internal and the fertilized eggs are discharged through the female genital aperture into the cocoon where further development occurs. So if this is the adult structure in the vagina, the fertilization occurs, then this will release this cocoon structure and inside this cocoon the eggs are there and development will be occurring in this cocoon and the clitoris forms around segments 9 to 11 during breeding season. So we know that leeches have a specific structure that is called clitoris that helps in the reproduction and that is present in the segments 9 to 11 and clitoris secretes a chemical which forms this cocoon and the fertilized eggs are attached to the cocoon and go with it. So inside this cocoon there are fertilized eggs. And next step is the development. So development of young proceeds within the cocoon. So inside the cocoon development of egg proceeds and in each cocoon 1 to 24 embryos develop. So in each cocoon there will be 1 to 24 eggs and 1 to 24 embryos and they feed on the albumin of the egg and finally they escape from the cocoon. So this is the young animal and the development is direct, that means there is no larva. So this is not the larva, right? This is the young animal. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.